Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Kumar from Soul Soak. I'm a student of Pinky D from Magic of Healing. Here I have done a simple ritual of relationship healing, and the green color candle is for the money healing. So here the green color candle what I've used is with the money oils that is personally made and energized with a lot of chantings and many rituals that I was taught. So I have energized the oil and then I have used this, and also I have coated the candle with the money oil, and then I have rolled it over basil and thyme herb for attracting more luck towards money. So this healing process I have done for 11 days for a person, and it has definitely worked wonders. So please do try it. It's a beautiful, very simple process of removing all the negativity. I have got excellent reviews from my clients that whatever blocked money was there was released, and also when they were overspending, they got a control of their money as well. So that is one beautiful review of the money oil. And the pink color candles what I have used here is, instead of a couple candle, I have done a simple ritual using pink color candles. Here I have used only rose oil and ylang ylang oil, and I have just I have anointed these candles with both of these oils together. And then again, to add more luck towards each of this person, I have coated these candles with basil and thyme again. And this also has got beautiful results. For some of the clients I have done it for 11 days. For some clients I have done it on 11 Fridays. But so far I have completed for more than 4 to 5 clients, and it has brought amazing results. People have started communicating with each other, and there is more sweetness added to their relationship. And also I have got wonderful feedbacks that there is a sense of commitment talks, that the guy is making an effort to talk now. So that's a beautiful thing that I'm seeing. And in one of the case, the girl got a clarity on day one when she was desperate for the boy. Within 8 days she got a clarity that this was not the boy that was meant for her. So it's a simple process without using any figurines. This is the first time I'm actually trying candle healing at all. And the first time itself I'm getting beautiful reviews. Thank you so much, Pinky D, for teaching me and guiding me in this path. And I hope that I can learn a lot of things from you, so that I can also spread positivity like you, and heal more people in this planet. Thank you so much. And also here, the white candles I have just used as a substitute for pink candles. I did not have enough pink candles, so I have used a substitute for white candles only. So here on this Friday I am doing it for 6 couples here. So this is a video feedback that I wanted to give and share with all of you. Please do try it, and it has definitely given amazing results. Thank you so much again, Pinky D, for making me your student and guiding me through this path. Thank you so much. Take care.